Phonetics and phonology. Today we are going to learn assimilation of final s or s sound. Always remember the s or s becomes post-alveolar sh or sh before post-alveolar sh, ch, j, and palatal y. So there are four sounds which you are going to consider when we are going to assimilate s or s sound. Let's use examples. Number one is, see, this shop. So there are two words in this phrase. Last sound of this is s, and first sound of shop is sh or sh. So s is followed by sh or sh. So it will become sh. So there will be double sh or sh sound. So this shop will be assimilated to this shop. So there will be double sh sound. Let's see next example. This chair. So now ch sound is there and s is followed by ch. So it will again be assimilated to this chair. Third example. Now the sound is j. Before it is s. So s is followed by j sound or j sound. For easiness, you can remember it like j. So this job will become this job. Fourth example is this year. So this year sound is here before s sound or sound. So it will be changed or it will be assimilated to this year. There will be again double sh sound. Now see certain words. In certain words, we can also have assimilation, like mischief. Normally, when we say it is miss and chief, ch sound is there, but when we assimilate it, it becomes mischief. Another example is question. Normally, we write it, its pronunciation is question. When we assimilate it, it becomes question. Again, question. It is difficult to pronounce, but if you do practice, you can do it well. So it is question. Sh and ch are together. Third example is Christian. So when it is assimilated, it will become Christian. So Christian. I hope you understand it. Thank you for watching.